Well, end of the day. There we go. A little light on the subject. Alright, you have the flap. That one flapped open. That one's just totally tore open. So, oh, so did that side. Alright. Just saving some money, energy. Just nailed it off. Gonna come back here and I'm gonna glue in a repair piece into place and see if I can tighten that up without it. Keep the water out of here too. So I'll probably be on that all day. 5 hours, 4 hours, maybe 5, fooling around here. I'm gonna go around the entire place. Just do a total look. Go and check out the chimney. Make sure the curb is good, and the skylight, and the air conditioning, and all the protrusions and the pipes and the little joint areas here and there. And make sure the metal's tacked down everywhere else. Okay.